Greetings ladies and gentlemen, I'm for Windsor and in this video we're gonna summarize the most important tips about farming with Space Ereshkigal. Space Eresh is a beast class servant who deals double damage against every single extra class, except for Avenger class. At the same time she deals neutral damage against all of the 7 regular classes. So to summarize, she's good to farm every class except for Avenger class. Space Eresh has 2 major farming setups in order to farm with Black Grell, one using the classic double Castoria and Oberon with the chance of replacing Castoria for Udur in the future, and the other is a no-swap setup using the Atlas Academy Mystic Code. I will explain how to play those 2 farming setups at the end of the video. But the most iconic characteristic of Space Ereshkigal is her unique affection mechanic, which makes her a very unique and cool servant, and I honestly wish they made more servants that had unique mechanics like this one. So, to put it simple, her affection mechanic works like this. The more actions you take with hers during the battle, the more Space Eresh will increase her affection with you, which will heavily increase her damage and abilities. And once you reach affection level 7, she will get invincibility piercing and defense piercing, along with changing her MP animation into this beautiful smile that shines with the intensity of 1,000 suns. At first glance, the condition of this mechanic might seem a little complicated, but what if I told you that there is a way to get Space Eresh to affection level 7 at the 3rd turn with 100% certainty? All you have to do is follow these 5 simple tips. 1. Space Eresh must be bound 5. 2. The very first action you do on every turn must be using a skill of Space Eresh. Use her 3 skills from left to right, each one of them at the beginning of each turn. 3. Do a brave change with Space Eresh on every single turn that is possible. 4. At any turn that is not possible to do a break chain with hers, use Castoria's MP to overcharge Space Eresh MP. This is because you need to do at least 2 break chains with Space Eresh to reach affection level 7. So if you have bad luck with the face cards, you can make up for the bad luck by using Castoria's MP to overcharge Space Eresh MP. And 5. Use every single Mystic Code skill on Space Eresh, even if it does nothing. For instance, healing her when she's already full HP. If you follow all of those steps, she'll reach affection level 7 with total certainty by the 3rd turn. And now, in the final part of the video, I will show you how all of this works in her 2 most common farming setups. Also guys, I wanted to ask you, what do you think of my new Tosaka Ring intro? I asked you this because this will be the intro for my new ring videos in Honkai Star Rail, so please let me know in the comments section. And now, as promised, a demonstration of Space Eresh's 2 most common farming setups. I will show her no-swap setup in a very bad luck situation, then her no-swap setup in a good luck situation, and finally her Oberon setup. So, ladies and gentlemen, hope you enjoy the rest of the video.
thanks you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. Also take a look at our other videos.